So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy, and consider subscribing, liking and commenting. And in today's video I'm teaching my American family. These guys have been awesome, amazing. This is Bethel here. Bethel, say hi.
Hi.
Yes, the other one is camera shy. You will just see the hands, but I'm teaching them how to make chapati. So we have all the ingredients we need. So we have flour over here. We have need a rolling pin. We have some sugar. That's sugar, and then some salt and cooking oil. Then you have a pan, obviously, to cook, and some warm water. So we say this is about 8 cups of flour. So for 8 cups of flour, we need some sugar. So we'll put 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sometimes, depending on what you are eating your chapati with, like if you're having it with tea, maybe put a lot of sugar. If you're having it maybe with a stew, you can balance the sugar and the salt. So, but let's just put 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay. So because this water is too hot, we will have to cool it a little. I don't want your hands to be burned by hot water. No, that's a little hot. Don't any accidents at all with hot water. Yeah, now that's better. So you can mix in the sugar and the salt with your hands, yes. So this. And this is Ashdod. Ashdod also wants to learn how to cook. Is that so, Ashdod? You also want to learn how to cook the chapati? Yes, say hi, say wave. No? No? Okay, now. Okay. Then you're supposed to make like a tiny hole in the middle, and then you pour your water. Bethel, do you want to do the dirty work? Sure. Okay. So mix the water. So, I should have looked the other side. So that was about 3 cups, since the thing had been full. Remember, warm water. 3 cups. Okay. So once you put the water, you see it's so sticky. Yeah, but this is a good way to begin. Then you just keep adding the flour until it stops being sticky. It should not be very sticky. Bethel is doing a good job. Okay, oh, Bethel has done such a marvelous job. So you know your dough is ready when it's not sticking on your hand. You see, like if you put it, it's not sticking. And when we put it here, it is not sticking. So then you know that it's ready. Then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to apply a little oil. So Bethel, you can apply some oil. And then you cover it. You can cover it with cling. Or you can leave it in your dish and then you cover it with a piece of cloth. But because we have cling, we'll wrap it with cling and we'll let it rest between half an hour and a whole hour. You can let it rest even longer, depending on how much time you have. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to make the beef stew. For beef stew, I've already diced the onions. So you'll put them, there's already oil in our cooker. And the good thing with this pressure cooker, it has different kinds of things that you can cook. So now it's on saute for the onions. And as the onions cook, we'll just cover it slightly. You need also, this is diced garlic. Then we had already chopped some tomatoes, and then the beef is here. I will cut it out. And you also need cilantro. And to make the meal so Kenyan, so we have Royco. So Royco is Kenyan, it's just a spice. And then we also have these Royco cubes. So Royco comes like in powder, but it also comes as cubes. Yeah? Okay. So we'll put that onion. You should just fry it until it is golden. Yes, so we'll give it a few more minutes. So Zion is here helping. So Zion, do you want to pour in? This is garlic. Let's move you this direction. Then stir it. Give me the dish. Are you stirring? Then we'll add a little cilantro. We'll add half of that. And the tomatoes. I think this was 4 diced tomatoes. We'll add them. We'll put in the beef now. The tomatoes were well cooked. So we'll put in now the beef. Thank you, my little helper.
Can I rinse this off?
Yes. And then also bring the thing that we mixed over there.
The broth?
The broth. Yes. Right here for things. Yeah, you can come closer and see how the mixture now looks. Yes, that's how it looks. So now we are going to put our broth. Put the broth. Nice. Zan. Oh, need something? Yeah, you can scoop it out. Yes. It's just the cubes. Nice. Okay. Let's just add some little water. Okay. Thank you, my little helper.
Oh.
Yes. You can zoom in and see how lovely it looks like. Yo, Zion, you want to do that? Okay. Nice. It looks so yummy. So now we're going to close it so that it boils nicely. Yes. So let's do that. Okay, no more stirring. Okay, you can put the spoon in the sink and then we are going to close this up. So it's been like over half an hour, so we're going to get ready to start rolling out the dough to make the chapati. So we'll get right on that. So we'll put put in the wrong one. Okay. No. There you go. Yes. Like I don't know how many tries. Yes. So you will cut out into little balls.
Okay.
As I say, some of these things I know how to. I feel and I know the right. Yes. Our little helper. Yes. So that's. I don't know. You'll be able to tell. This is how heavy it should be, so that it's neither too big or too small. Yes. Or you can try cut out whatever. What's that?
Did you roll?
Yes. Yes. And then you cut and then you roll. Yes. So you just make. Then you try and shape it as a ball this way. Yes. Cooking your first chapati, you put oil on the pan. Just add a little bit more.
This is not your first chapati. This is your second.
Oh, have you rolled out a good one? Yes, shaken is also helping in rolling out. Then now take the dough and place it. It looks smoky, but it's not even that hot. Yes. And then you can move it. As I said, if you're scared to use your hand, you can use the spoon. Yes. Then flip it around. If you're scared, you can use the spoon or any other thing that you use for cooking. Yes, and then the fire should be between high and medium so that they cook nicely. Then you could always check with your spoon. Yes, and just check how it's doing. Yes, okay. So you do the cooking and then you continue rolling. So now our chapatis are ready. So is our beef stew. So we're going to make a salad. We're going to make a salad with cucumber. We have some onions, some cilantro, some peppers, and some tomatoes. That's how the beef stew looks like. And I just sprinkled cilantro on top, and then I'm gonna just stir it.